Hi, welcome to my channel Learn with Sumaiya. Hope you all are doing good today. If you are watching my channel for the first time, so please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get my new video updates. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for those who love fish and also biryani. Yes, you're right. So it's a combo. It's a fish biryani. It's really easy to make and it doesn't need much time to prepare. So let's start with the recipe. The first step in making this recipe is fish marination. I am marinating my fish with some of the regular spices which is available in my kitchen. And if you like, you can add some more herbs. So these are the regular one which we actually use in biryani. So we don't want to change the taste of biryani because of the fish. So here I can give you a quick tip for fish smell, as some people really don't like fish smell but they really like eating fish. So what you can simply do is you can mix together vinegar and water in a bowl and soak your fish in there for 5 minutes. Well, let it sit for 5 minutes. After that, just drain that whole solution and pat dry your fish before cooking or before the marination. Simple. This is a very easy and a quick tip to remove or eliminate that fish smell. So after your fish is fully marinated, you can leave your fish for 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. So simply cling wrap your bowl or your plate and leave it in the refrigerator. I left it for 3 hours in the refrigerator. This actually helps in incorporating the spices into the meat, and the fish smells so good once all the spices are fully absorbed into the meat. So the second step in this recipe is preparing gravy for biryani. I have taken a pan and added some oil, and I have also added 2 medium-sized sliced onion and fry until they are golden brown. I do fry my onion on a medium heat, and once they are fully brown or like golden brown, then I'm adding some spices which are as written. I'm stir frying my spices with fried onion and adding little water, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons, so that my spices don't burn. I have added chopped tomatoes with a half cup of water, and I will let it simmer for almost 15 to 20 minutes. Cover the lid and let it simmer, and we will come back again after 15 minutes. Now the third step in this recipe is frying your marinated fish. On another stove, I took a pan and heat oil and shallowing fry my marinated fish. I will turn the side of the fish and I will fry until they are golden brown. We are back again. So uncover your lid and watch your tomatoes if they are completely fried. We like some spicy biryani, so green chilies are really very optional. If you like, you can add 5 to 6 chopped green chilies in tomato gravy. Now is the time to add fried fish into tomato gravy. And cover it for 5 to 10 minutes on a very low heat until your rice are boiling. So on the other side, I'm boiling my rice. I took 3.5 cups of rice and boiling them with cumin seeds and salt, and that gives really nice aroma in the boiling rice. On the other side, I'm also preparing a yellow food color and mixing it, a bit of the food color, mixing it with the water that we are going to use it for assembling. So the important thing is when you are boiling rice, especially for biryani, you need to make sure that your rice are 3/4 done. So the last step is assembling and layering your fish biryani. So firstly, I'm going to pour some oil into the pan and add some tomato puree and mix it. So this will be your first layer in your pan. Once all the layering and assembling is done, so I always cover my rice with the paper towel and some layers of the paper towel or the kitchen cloth, that, and then cover it with the lid. And I'll give a steam to my rice or leave my rice on a steam for at least 30 minutes on low heat until the rice are fully done. Wow, see the color of biryani, and it smells so good that we cannot resist. I hope you like this video, and if you have tried this recipe of my fish biryani, so please leave your comments or feedback into my comment box. I will see you next time with another exciting and tasty video. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video and the link with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye.